Let's make albondiga soup with a green broth. Right here we have spinach, oregano, squash, 2 poblano peppers, 4 garlic cloves, cilantro, 7 tomatillos, 2 tablespoons of chicken bouillon, fresh mint, 1/2 cup of rice, 2 eggs, half an onion, 2 tomatoes, and 3 pounds of ground meat. I'm going to start by slicing the onion very thin slices and then cut in very, very small pieces. This onion is going to be mixed with the meat, and we want to make sure that it's very finely chopped because you don't want to take the first bite of that albondiga and then end up with the big piece of onion. Once you finish with dicing your onions, then you're going to start chopping the yerba buena, the mint. Now this herb is a very important herb in the whole albondiga recipe. I feel that without this herb, albondigas won't taste like albondigas. You know, you need mint in order for it to taste good. So don't skip this step. Now I have fresh oregano here. Now I think this is optional. I love the taste of albondigas when they have fresh oregano. So I always use oregano in my albondigas, but optional if you don't like it. Also very finely chopped. So take your time and just enjoy every moment while you're cooking. Think about all those nice compliments you're gonna get when they taste your albondigas, because I am sure it's gonna be delicious. Now I have 3 pounds of meat. I'm gonna use 2 eggs, and what the eggs will do, it'll help you bind with the binding of the meat, so that they don't disintegrate as soon as they go in the water. Then you just add salt to the taste. Our next ingredient is tomato. Same thing, thin slices, small pieces. This is going into the mixture of the meat, so you want to keep them as small as you can. And believe it or not, it's beginning to smell like albondigas, and I think it's all because of that mint herb. With very clean hands, mix well, take your time. The last ingredient would be rice, and also is optional, but albondigas without rice, no, they're not albondigas. I use a measuring spoon so that all of the albondigas are same size, and I mean, you don't have to measure them, but I do. I like them, and this is what 3 pounds of meat gave me. All these albondigas, they're a lot. My husband is sick, so albondiga soup was something that I thought it will make him feel better. Now we're gonna put our sauce together, blend our sauce, and this is all of the ingredients. We have the garlic, we have the tomatillos, we have the poblano peppers and spinach, and everything's green. Hence why they call them, the green albondigas. Blended well. Look at what the beautiful green. That color is amazing. Now, before you add the albondigas to the water, make sure that the water is boiling. You don't want your albondigas to fall apart, so make sure that the water is boiling, and then just remove all that impurities that go to the top, that they surface to the top. Take your time again, doing this. If you miss this step, nothing happens, not a big deal. Now, if you notice, I added the potatoes right now, and that's only because they take a little longer than the rest of the vegetables, or the other vegetable. I think I only used 2. Yeah, I only used 2 vegetables. The potatoes, and then the squash. The squash takes 5 minutes probably to cook, and here it is, after 20 minutes, your albondigas are done, ready to serve. And look at that beautiful color. It's amazing. Nice green. It has a nice flavor. Perfect for my husband that is feeling under the weather. If you like avocado with your soups, be my guest. He likes avocado, so here I fix his plate with a little bit of avocado on top. And then you can serve it with some white rice, and they're ready to enjoy. I hope you give this recipe a try. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you next time.